Hello everyone, my name is Shambhu Kumar, and so today I am going to show you how we can run two odoo versions in a one system. We can run. So if you see here, see odoo16 is installed, and this odoo16 is running on the port 8070. If you see here, my port number is 8070. At the same time, I am running one more odoo version, that is odoo15. See, odoo15 is running right now. So at the same time, so here how I can done this job. So I'll show you my files and my log and all the path how I set. See, if I see here, so this one is odoo15, and if I check here, this one is the odoo16. So I'll show you my odoo environment here. So see, odoo16 is here, and odoo15 is this one. So what I did, I just first when I was installing odoo16 in my system, so I just given new user here, and I created one virtual environment where Python 3.8 is running, and same as well as in odoo15 I also created one environment which odoo15 also required 3.8, so I installed 3.8. You can also 3.9, 3.10 you can install it, so it will be work. So next what I'll show you, I'll stop the odoo version 15 first. So odoo15 is here. If I stop this guy, like status is running, right? I will show you the status. Now it is running. So odoo15 is this guy, odoo15. Now what I'll be do, I'll just stop and I'll show you again to you. So right now if I check the status, so see, status is inactive right now. If I go here and try to access in browser, I'll get unable to connect. Why I got this? Because of I stopped the odoo. Now next, if I check this one, so this is my odoo16, it is still running, right? See, I'm able to access all the menus and all, sub menus and all. So if I go, and this is 15, right? This is 16. If I go and stop this guy, so I have to first, I'll show you the status. So it is running, right? If I stop this guy, now check with this, so still both the odoo version are not running here. Next, what I'll show you, next what I did, so I just created virtual environment for each file. Right now see, I am inside the virtual environment. See, if you check, so I created the virtual environment odoo15. See, then only I am getting I am able to access both the version in a browser at the same time, and also I changes some port. See, if I show you my conf file, See, if I go and check, so my port is 8071. So this is odoo 15 is running my port. I just changes the port. And if I come back and I'll show you here, cd conf sudo nano odoo.conf, right? So this is running 8070 port. So I changed, I just in conf file changed the port, and it is running. In the same time, parallelly it is working in browser. So I will be start both the environment here. So if I'll check the status, so it is running, and I'll just go to I'll show my conf. So using this can access, so it is 8070 this one, this guy was there. So fine, I am able to access my odoo 16 version. If I come back and I'll be run odoo 15. Now what I'll be do here, I'll be start odoo 15 is restart. You can write it restart also here, and after that you can check using this only odoo 15 version, and you go for log this guy. See, in this log you can see, and if I come back and run odoo with this port, so I'll be get access the odoo 15. If I'll show you there, I'll show you that odoo 16, right? So I come back and see odoo 15. This is already we are getting here the name odoo 15 edition here. Okay, fine. So that's all, guys.